I'm Leo, and welcome to our YouTube channel! Hi guys, so right now we're opening the gate. It's our overtime today. And now we're opening the gate. Hi, say hi! Hi! Now, it's configuring my network. This is Muhammad Shahid. Earlier, I was disconnected with our network because of Mr. Shahid. He's cleaning the switches. Now he's making my computer now to be connected. Okay, stay tuned.
You are staying.
I'm done with my part. I did my configuration, and now the guys here are doing now the replication task job in the database, and all of them are serious, very serious now. Actually, Muhammad Shahid is configuring my network. That's why I'm not sitting on my chair. This is Obey. This is a very good guy. Muhammad Ali. And this is Sharif. So we're still fine-tuning the server. I'll return back to my room, guys, because probably Muhammad Shahid already done my connectivity. Okay? How you organize the wires. Yeah. So I think lunchtime, and on behalf of Mr. Jabber, tomorrow I'll collect it. So, Ismail, you'll go for lunch? We'll buy...
Kabsa, maybe he eat already.
You eat already lunch? No? Huh? So, he will be eating at tea. But you have tea? My tea is there. The work becoming big, so we'll eat first. So, this is Obey.
This is Al Hijaz Grill Bukhari Restaurant, 2nd Street, Al Khobar. We ordered 2 half spare ribs and 2 half chicken barbecue with yellow rice.
Hey, Sharif. Here. Yeah. Hey guys, we're here at Khobar, Al-Bukhari, and now I'm eating spare ribs together with my teammates. We have an overtime today to update the system.
Server migration.
Server migration. This is Sharif, Muhammad Ali, Obey, Najib, and me. What will say, oh no? Oh yeah, remote na.
After coming back to the office, we continue monitoring the server, the performance, the statistical report.
Okay. So guys, we're successfully done with our server update. We transfer from one server to another, and I think it's better now. The new server is much faster. It has a 256 GB of memory. Okay? Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Put your comments below and click the bell icon.